This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the grid lines in Microsoft Excel. I will be using the online version of Excel. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have Excel opened in my browser now. To enable or disable the grid lines in Excel, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, and you want to click on the View tab, View. Then on the ribbon, I'm going to go down right here, Guidelines. As you can see, my guidelines, the box is checked. My guidelines are enabled. To disable it, you just uncheck that. Now as you can see, my grid lines are gone. And to re-enable it, you go back to View and down here to Guidelines and re-enable it. Now my guidelines are back on. That is how to enable or disable the guidelines in Microsoft Excel Online. Thanks for watching.